Hello everyone, my name is Joel. Today is about flowers. Flowers are beautiful. They have petal and sickle. Male flower have anther and filament. Female flower have stigma, style and ovary. Bee-like flowers. Butterfly likes flowers too. Thank you.